Hello, this is going to be a quick video showing how to set up and get started with using Houdini engine for Godot. First, I'll show how to get the demo up and running. I'll then also show how to install the plugin to your own project and bringing your first HDA into Godot. You'll need a commercial Houdini license, so either Core, FX, or commercial Houdini engine 1. In the future, indie licenses will hopefully be supported. At the time of recording, the plugin is built with Houdini 21.0.631 and Godot 4.4.1 stable. It might work with other minor Houdini versions within the same major version, but to be safe, I'd recommend using the exact one. For Godot, it should be upwards compatible, so make sure you have at least 4.4.1 stable. If you watch this video later, the versions might have changed. Check the GitHub or documentation to see which version it's built against. If you want to work with different versions of Houdini, you can build the plugin against those, but that would be out of the scope of this video. The main branch of the GitHub repository contains the entire demo project, so you can just download it as a zip file and unpack. You can then just import the project into Godot. There are a few things you still need to do though. First, make sure you have SideFX Labs installed, as the HDAs included in the demo project won't work without it. Second, open the project settings and search for Houdini, and make sure your Houdini installation path is set correctly to where you have Houdini installed. On Windows, it's likely at C, Program Files, SideFX Software, Houdini 21.0.631. On Linux, it's likely at /opt/hfs 21.0.631. Finally, you'll need to make sure Houdini sees the HDAs included in the demo. The easiest way is to just copy-paste the HDAs into your Houdini home directory's OTL folder. On Windows, that is going to be documents/Houdini 21.0/OTLs. On Linux, that is going to be your user's home/Houdini 21/OTLs. Alternatively, set up a package.json file pointing to the included OTLs folder. Once that is done, reopen the project in Godot, create a session, and play around with the generators included. Check the scenes folder for a few demo scenes. There's one showing the terrain 3D bridge, one showing tree generators and a simple biome example, and there's also one showing a simple fence generator. To install the plugin into your own project, the easiest method is to just head to the releases section on GitHub and download the zip file for the latest release binaries. Unpack those and just copy-paste the Higo folder into your project's add-ons directory. If the directory doesn't exist yet, just create it. Next, open the project. Initially, you'll see a bunch of errors. Head to the project settings and enable Higo under plugins. Reopen the project and the errors should be gone. Next, open the project settings again and set your Houdini installation path. Finally, reload the project once more. You're now ready to use Houdini engine for Godot. To show bringing an HDA over to Godot, I will quickly create a basic test HDA in Houdini. In Godot, I now need to start a session. Once the session is open, I can head to the Libraries tab and import the HDA I created. When I create a Higo Node 3D now and pick an HDA asset, the HDA I just created becomes available. If you run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment, open an issue on GitHub, or ask on the Discord linked in the description. Thank you for watching.